Hey friends, welcome back to my channel DIY Savvy Mommy. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm sharing simple and easy Easter DIYs that I'm sure you will just love watching. This video is part of Easter DIY challenge hosted by Heidi Sonboul. She's an amazing creator and I've linked her channel in the description box below. You should definitely check out her channel and also watch the playlist for some great Easter DIY inspiration of the other creators. And I've mentioned that in the description box too. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it with your family and friends, and please subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff coming very soon. So let's get started. For the first DIY, I'm creating this cute beads and pipe cleaner bunny rabbits, and they are very easy to make. I've taken two wooden beads and pipe cleaner of the same color. I've colored the wooden beads in white color, and then I have inserted the pipe cleaner through the bead halfway through, and then started twisting the end part of the pipe cleaner inwards like so. I did this to both the ends of the pipe cleaner and then adjusted it properly so that these become the legs of the bunny rabbit, and then both of them are of the equal length. And then I started bending the top part of the pipe cleaner. I bent the pipe cleaner from the center like so to make the bunny's ears, keeping both the ears of the same length. Then I pushed the center part of the pipe cleaner inside the hole of the bead on top like so. I adjusted the ears and the legs of the bunny rabbit to the same size, and you can see how cute the bunny is already looking. Similarly, I made 6 more bunnies in different shades of pink and white. I just colored the wooden beads into different shades of pink, and I used same color pipe cleaners to make the legs and the bunny ears. Once all the bunnies were complete, I just hand sketched their eyes, their whiskers, and a small little mouth on them using white pen and black pen. and the bunnies are almost complete. I decorated these cute bunnies on top of my television with just a drop of hot glue at the legs, at the base of their legs, and they are already looking very adorable, and they are just decorating my television like anything. These are so easy to make and my favorite DIY in today's video. For the next DIY, I made a Easter centerpiece, and for it I took a small galvanized pot and or a planter and filled it with some green moss, and then I had this plastic tree which is actually a fruit fork holder, and I'm going to use it to glue my Easter eggs and small little sweet treats onto the tree like so. And then I had this adorable collection of candies and sweet treats that I ordered from Wish, and I glued these on top of the tree and I made it into a candy tree. I kept few of them under the tree also, and this is how simple it is and yet so beautiful. For the next centerpiece, I took another galvanized planter and filled it up with some green moss, and then I glued a small fluffy hair accessory which also looks like a bunny's back to the planter. And then I cut two small feet out of pink and white felt fabric and glued it to the sides of the bunny like so. I also glued a small white pom-pom to the top of the fluffy accessory to imitate it to look like a bunny's tail. Then to make carrots, I took a small pipe cleaner in orange color, and then I took a wooden dowel and started wrapping it around the dowel, and then making it into a spiral, and then pulled out the dowel and started shaping the pipe cleaner, as in making the one part really steep and the other part really broad at one end, so that it looks like a carrot. And then again, to make the leaves, I took some green pipe cleaner and then twisted it again and glued both the orange and the green piece together, and this is how the cute little carrot looks. To make another carrot, I took some twine in orange color and then wrapped it around a small bamboo skewer like so. I just made sure that one part is quite narrow compared to the other end, which needs to be a little broader. And then again, I made another green leaf using the same green pipe cleaner and glued everything, both the ends together. Once both the carrots were ready, I kept them near the bunny, as it to make it look that the bunny is busy digging out the a pot to take out carrots from the pot. And this is how the cute and adorable centerpiece turned out. It is absolutely pure joy to look at it. For the final third centerpiece that I made, I took another planter and covered it with some paper fill and decorated it with some Easter eggs, spring flowers, and a small birdhouse and small little birds. I trimmed off the excess paper fill that was flowing below, and this is how my simple yet very pretty third centerpiece came out. It looks absolutely gorgeous and very pretty. And this is how the final centerpiece looks like. I have kept all the three pieces together, and this entire thing screams of Easter and is absolutely adorable. I just love it. For the final DIY, I created a beads bunny wreath for a glam Easter look, and I took an embroidery hoop and then started gluing small pink beads onto it. And then I took a wire and folded it in bunny ear shape and decorated it with some blue beads. When the ear was entirely covered with blue beads, I joined the two ends and twisted them together like so to secure it. And one ear is complete, and similarly, I made another ear. And then I glued both the ears and the back of the hoop, and then started gluing some spring flowers on top of the bunny head. I also put some greenery to the flowers to complete the springy Easter look, and the beaded glam touch beaded wreath is ready, and it looks so pretty. I just love it. So this is all for today's video. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments below which out of all the DIYs was your favorite, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed watching the video, and please subscribe to my channel. See you very soon. Take care, goodbye, and happy crafting.